Birchbox January unboxing. So today is the 9th of January. It's a cute little box. I love the designs on the boxes that you get. Sprinkle happiness. It's like a little drawer. Definitely reusable for crafts for children. Let's open up and see what's inside. First, Lord and Berry beige crayon concealer. Creamy pencil not only disguises imperfections, but is also great at highlighting areas that you want to show off. Okay, apply straight to your skin from the stick using your fingertips to blend in. Right, it goes on nice and smooth. I can't wait to use that. Everyone needs a little concealer. Next one is Rituals. I love Rituals. It's a really good brand. Purifying Rasual Clay and Refreshing Eucalyptus. Purifying body scrub. These body scrubs are really good. And leave your skin feeling really soft. So, packed with mineral-rich Rasual Clay and refreshing eucalyptus to deeply cleanse and smooth the skin, leaving it ready for the new year. Massage onto dry skin, then rinse it away. I use this on my hands when I get really rough hands. It's so good. Okay, next up is hand cream. I've got dry hands, so I can't wait to try this one. Sweet smelling lotion packed with tiny pearls and nourishing extracts to pamper and smooth. Massage into dry hands when they need perking up. Okay. This is meant to be cherry. I'm just going to have a smell. Rub it in. Oh, it's nice and soft. It smells lovely and refreshing. This is the full size. Yes to carrots, normal to dry skin. So a lot about dry skin in this Birchbox, which is good for this time of year. Packed with antioxidants, organic carrots and sweet almond oil, smooths and firms even the driest of skins. Massage into your skin every morning. Oh, I don't know how to open it. Okay, so it's a 50ml day cream. So I presume it's oily. Pump action will come out. It's nice and soft. Smells refreshing. Really smooth on the skin. And lastly, there is shaving cream. Whish, another good brand that comes with Birchbox quite often. Whish shave cream. For a close shave without stripping your legs of moisture, this non-foaming formula is packed with kind to skin ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil to nourish and protect against irritation. Okay, apply a thin layer before shaving, then rinse away with warm water. Okay, I'll try that. So in the box as well, is a little voucher. Get your first HelloFresh box for just £9, that's £30 off. Plus a £10 Birchbox. I've never used HelloFresh, but I can give it a go. Thank you for watching.